friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video, we're just going to go through some stuff that's been around the internet, and this is actually a real thing happening over at Walgreens. So on Tuesday the 15th, there was a memo that was circulating around that a lot of couponers were talking about, that for curbside pickups, please listen, guys. For curbside pickups, these paper register rewards, either a store or a manufacturer, if you do a curbside order, not printing anymore. You will not get it. Even if you walk into the store, go to the photo desk, twirl 18 times and flirt with the manager, it's not going to print. And this is what we're talking about. And this went into play yesterday, which is Tuesday the 15th. So this is happening. I had multiple shoppers message me that their register rewards didn't print out, what's going on, and this is what's happening. I really think that a lot of cashiers, managers, staff at Walgreens this was eating up a lot of their time. And so it's a way that they can say no. It's going to be written in the ad as well, like in the fine print. And also, if you try and call customer service to try and get your register reward and be super sneaky, they also can say no. So just be really mindful of that. I know a lot of you do curbside orders because the products are like a couple dollars cheaper. And when these are into play, well, it's a little bit of extra frosting on the cake. This is one of the take backs. They've been doing like little things here and there. The first one was you need a minimum of a $10 order. Remember when they implemented that? And now this. Please remember this, especially if you love doing these pickup or curbside orders. Now, if you're still completely lost and you have no idea what I'm talking about, let's take this bite by bite and I'll just show you what a pickup or a curbside order is. It's the same thing. So this is a deal that's printing a $4 store register reward this week. It is to buy 2 of the Tresames, and we're in the week of March the 13th of 2020. Buy 2 Tresames, we have a $5 digital coupon. You'd pay $5 out of pocket and get a $4 store register reward. See the bottom, that blue button that says pickup and the check mark? You would click that and put the order in through the app or your desktop computer, and that is your curbside pickup. You either drive to the store or walk into the store in the photo department and they process your order, and that's usually when you would get that $4 printout. But if it's ordered that way, you will not get it. However, if you go into the brick and mortar store, so you actually go to the store and you would grab 2 of the shampoos, have your digital coupon loaded, go to a cash register in the store, get the cashier to, punch in your phone number or your store card, and then you would get the cashier to scan both of the Tresames, have your 5 off of 2 digital coupon loaded. You would pay the 5 or roll $5 in Walgreens cash, and then out of the Catalina machine, that $4 store register reward will print. So that's the deal of this week. And to get that top right-hand corner reward, you must go physically in store and do this deal with a live cashier in front of you. Now, just to talk about something super quickly, if you're doing a curbside deal or this in store, even as a curbside offer, this is still 2 for $10. I know that for a lot of you that you just can't get out to the store, or maybe, there's other situation why you can't get to the store. This is just easier and more convenient to do it through your phone. That's going to stink. You're going to actually have to get to the store to do a couple of these deals, and I think it took up a lot of customer services probably time to, try and reconcile these register rewards, or even the company that prints these out, Catalina, maybe they were getting an overload with things not printing out, and then, concerns and that sort of a thing. So just be aware, if you're doing curbside orders, these are not printing for you anymore. So why the difference between curbside or in-store? Obviously, curbside, it's cheaper. A lot of the products are $2 to $3 cheaper. As of right now, if you're doing deals with like Walgreens cash, such as the Colgate deal of buy 2, get your $4 of Walgreens cash, immediately it will not show. You have to process the order, go to the store and pick it up, and moments like after the order has been processed, that's when the Walgreens cash shows up. So they've also changed that around. If they will get rid of that altogether, we do not know as of this point. There is also a minimum of $10. Most of you know that, but no more register rewards. Either the store or the manufacturers, they will not print for you whatsoever. And if you call customer service, they will happily say no. I'm thinking over time, probably most of the managers at Walgreens will also deny you and say, hey, for these sort of orders, we can't award you the register reward. So that will kind of stink. The only thing I can think of right now is if you want to go to Catalina.com, send them an email and a photo of your receipt for the missing register reward, they might grant that for you. But Catalina works hand in hand with Walgreens, so they might deny you as well. So just be mindful for a deal like the Tresemme. Get to the store to do it for any register reward offer. But looking at the ad in the last couple of weeks, guys, it seems that register rewards are less and less. It's more Walgreens cash deals. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.